Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka Meghalaya Motorsports Society haringkat gajing trelang ban ka Motorsports Access haringkat gajing kershan na ka Meghalaya Age Limited kalapan bena bakan sepenlong ni gajing yakop nya kali ke beratip kum ke Speed Fast Time Attack ke bah ars ngilenter ya ke balatmu ban sedang haka live way tarik mentau benai ban kan kut haka shitarik urempang haba ajingkran syakilat pathai kubo na kaliang jong ka Phoebe Dale Nongrum kaway na kinong nya kali rally kan thei baningkong na ka jela ka babat kum ka Vice Champion Haka INRC Women's Category Arhajar Arpusau, kalapan pau bagani kan long kasian ke beningkong ya ke jela ban yo penlong ya ke jinyakop nya kali Motorsports haka kerdan national. Kani ke jaka ke badan kerensan haka bangi persyang ban penbiang jaka ya baro kini kinong nya kali ke badang thamai bat ke badang samla na ke jela, kenang bakin yo ya kalat ban yakop bat giwei pat haka kerdan national la ong ke Phoebe. Kalau batai ru baya kani ke jinyakop nya kali an penlong haki lenti keti hathan umroi umdan Kani kerensan kalong ru shibenta jong ka grassroots project haka motorsports ka jingtmu baningkong balatmu de ka Federation of Motorsports Clubs of India hapo ka jingpeniat jong ka Federation International Dale Automobile kani ka jingakop ka tmu ban kentiu bat penroy ki sap ki banang mi bat bante ka nongrem ka baskham nak benta ki jingakop nya akali hapo kari
Shah, who is the organizer from Motorsports Access, who is collaborating with us on this motorsports event that we have, the Speed Fest Time Attack. Here we also have Phoebe Dale Nongrum, who is also the chairperson of Meghalaya Motorsports, and also she will be performing, taking people on taxi rides and also to our VIP guests at the event. And we also have Mr. Sanam Seko, also known as the Drift King of India, who is also going to be performing at the event. This event is the first of its kind because it is a national event and we will be flagging off one of the international projects under the grassroots, under the supervision, guidance of the FIA. So we have any questions?
So basically this event is, it's called Time Attack. Basically it's a race. So it's a race on dirt track and this is the first national race that is happening in Meghalaya under the license of FMSCI. And also under the same event, we have the grassroots project that is headed by Atif's company that is called Motorsports Access. So they are running the grassroots projects all around India, and also they have come to our state in collaboration with us to run this project under the grassroots. So this is a platform where we're trying to provide a spot for all these drivers, new young drivers from Shillong, Meghalaya, so that they can have a chance to compete with the rest nationally in other states or whenever there's a championship happening, national championship happening or a national event happening elsewhere. So our aim here is from Atif's team, from Motorsports Access and from Meghalaya Motorsports, we've collaborated together to try and find these new drivers so that we can actually promote the youngsters who actually have the skills and talent in driving. In Meghalaya at the moment we have quite a few drivers and riders as well, but then we do not have the platform. So we have started this initiative to provide that platform to all the younger drivers. And I think Atif will have something to say about fun entertainments by Mr. Sanam Seko. He has been here before and he has performed at the ISBT. We had a drift show. He's a drift champion. And also this time he had come on his quad bike, so a few other skills that he possesses in motorsports, that is on the quad bike. So he'll just be showing a little bit of his skill sets on the quad bike at the track during the event. And I myself will be also taking on taxi rides to 4 lucky winners of day 1 two winners and day 2 other winners. I'll be taking them on a taxi ride in my 2024 rally car. So I was driving the INRC last year and on the same car I'll be taking them on a taxi ride. I think Meghalaya has quite a bit of different terrains for different kind of motorsports. We have the terrain, but we need the place, and we need we need the people to be familiar with the sport more. So that is what we're trying to do right now. Right now we're introducing a race which is on dirt. So again, there are other types of motorsports which can be done also on tarmac and even on gravel. So yeah, we're looking forward towards that because in Meghalaya we can promote this sport in a bigger way. There is a place, there there are talents here. There are young talents which do not have a platform. That is what we're trying to do here, spotting all those talents. Myself and a few of us here who have spotted those talents, we want to push them ahead and give them that platform.
They need to develop adventure sports, all this. So will you be tying in with the government so that there can be an annual calendar event?
So that this event is also like supported and sponsored by the tourism department and Meghalayan Age. The government is pretty much keen on motorsports, but they're also still new to all of this. So we are here to show them the different ways and different types and disciplines of motorsports. And earlier it was just a drift show, now it's a race. And now the racing with cars as of now, and we also have motorbikes which we are going to be eventually doing it again later. So we have a few more other disciplines which we want to bring to the state. So slowly and surely the government is supporting us, learning from us what are the different types of disciplines of racing or different types of discipline in motorsports. And hopefully this is the start for us, and hopefully we can definitely work towards a better future in motorsports in Meghalaya.
Can you also tell us state, northeast
Based out of Bombay, looking at developing motorsport as a sport as well as a business industry. So we've collaborated with Meghalaya Motorsport Society to be doing a first of its kind grassroots event in Meghalaya. So the entire idea of the grassroots event is so that entrants and aspirants who want to enter the sport of motorsport get a chance and a platform to get their first initial experience in the sport. So this program is done under the IDP or the India Development Program that is approved by the FIA, the International Association for Motorsport, and headed by the FMSCI. So we are working along with the FMSCI to promote and grow grassroots motorsport across the country, and it's a great platform and it's a great opportunity for Meghalaya and the residents of Meghalaya to be participating in this event.
Motorsports it's like leading around the world. I mean, like motorsports right now is well known all around the world. So also in Northeast. So right now, even in this event, we are having other people from other states coming in for the event. It's not just the boys from Meghalaya, but also we have people coming in from Nagaland, people coming in from Mizoram, people coming in from Tura, I think. So that way, people are coming into the state from different places. We also have someone from Chennai who was in town, who used to drive on Formula 3 and in the Abu Dhabi circuit. He's in town and he's also contacted us. We have him also, and we're having someone coming up from, I think, the state of Bihar as well as a driver. We have someone coming in from Mumbai. She's a girl and she's been competing in the national platform, also in Formula, and she's just started on the dirt as well. So she'll also be coming and competing generally with everybody.
You can also repeat the date.
First at Umroy Umden Umsetpra. It's besides the airport. It's a little bit ahead of the airport on the main road. There will be indications towards the event, of course, and the start time would be at around 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. We would be starting off the race, and it would end at around 4:30 before the sun sets.
Tomorrow and day after.
That will be on 31st and 1st, day after and Saturday.